How to create a social media content calendar with Canva. Whether you're a content creator, a social media manager, or someone who wants to grow on social media as a business owner, whatever you are, you need a content calendar. If you're not organized on social media, there's no way you are going to grow. You are not going to start achieving those results, those goals that you really had in mind. Staying organized is one of the secrets that you see people that have actually succeeded on social media is using to succeed. At the beginning stage of me wanting to become a social media manager, I wanted to grow my own personal page, starting from there. But guess what? I was posting content, I was posting whatever comes to my head. I never really thought I needed a social media content calendar for myself because I believe that content calendar is what you use for a professional, maybe a brand, or if you're managing someone else's social media. I felt like for myself, I don't really need a content calendar. But guess what? This made me like becoming consistent, become so disorganized. I was just posting anything that comes to my head. With all my effort, I wasn't growing. I was stuck and I was wondering why until I figured out that I did not have a social media content calendar. And the moment I got a content calendar was the moment I became organized and I started getting results and achieving my goals on social media. So if you're someone right now struggling to grow on social media, you need a content calendar. And I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can create one for yourself for free right now on Canva in the easiest way. All you have to do is to follow the steps I'm going to be stating out for you right now in this video. Hi, my name is Tiffany. I'm a social media manager. I talk about how to use social media the right way to achieve your goals, to grow, to make money, to monetize. So this is for anyone who is trying to grow on social media. Whether you are struggling to grow, you're not seeing the followers you're looking for, you're not making sales, you're not attracting the right audience, this channel is for you. And if you're interested in growing on social media right now, all you have to do is to join this community by subscribing right now and turning on the post notification so you can be notified every Thursday whenever I post a helpful video and other days when I post short that will be really, really helpful to you. Step 1, choose a content template on Canva. You can be able to download Canva on your phone, whether Android or iPhone. All you have to do is to search for canva.com and then quickly log in and sign in. Once you have done that, search for social media content calendar on the template bar. You can choose a weekly or a monthly layout based on your content volume. Now that you have found the template, you can choose a weekly or monthly layout based on your content volume because everyone's content volume is different. You get me? If maybe when you are searching for social media content calendar template and you didn't see anything, you can also use editorial template and a marketing planner. It is also going to show you the same template, the same social media calendar template that you're looking for. So make sure you choose the template that works for you. The moment you find the template that you love, make sure it's a weekly or monthly layout depending on your content volume so that you can accommodate it. So inside the Canva editor, customize your calendar for your brand. That means you should use your brand color, your logo, your font so that you can personalize it. Or if you are doing this content calendar for your clients, make sure to use their brand color, their logo, and their font so that it will like align with what the brand is and what it stands for. Now quickly create the label of Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn. I'm going to like screen record this so that you are going to see exactly how to do it. But like while I say it in this video, so you get exactly what I'm showing you when I'm screen recording how it works. Now let's quickly dive into step 3, which is what to include in your social media content calendar. Every social media content calendar should include some things that are specifically needed in it that actually makes it a content calendar. So if you don't have this in it, is it even a content calendar? So let's quickly talk about what you need to include in your content calendar. So I'm going to quickly list them out, which includes date, time, platform, content pillars, campaign stroke launch, post style, post topic, caption stroke copy, hashtags, SEO keyword, virtual stroke media, call to actions, links, goal of post, approval, status, performance tracker. This is very important. Notes. Now these are like different sections. As I said, it's going to be on the screen how you are going to like arrange your content calendar so that anyone that visits your content calendar will gain clarity on what is under what and where they can find what they are looking for. So this makes your content really organized. Whenever you want to post content, you're not scrapping around for like, oh, what do I need? Where do I go? And all of that. So you have to like arrange it accordingly, especially the way I am doing it on the screen. Now step 4, pro tips for using your calendar strategically. This is very important. Even though you have a content calendar and you do not know how to use your calendar strategically, you might not be able to like maximize everything you could from your content calendar. So let's quickly get into it. A, remember to use different color codes for different platforms or post types. B, batch plan weekly or bi-weekly to save you tons of time. Like nothing like time. You guys, you don't have to waste so much of your time. You can be able to like batch create ahead of time and save yourself so much stress. C, include launches, holidays, sales, events so that you know what is happening, and then when something important is happening, you don't miss out on it because it's not in your content calendar. So make sure to always include it. This is especially for social media managers because some of you guys, when they are celebrating maybe International Women's Day, because you did not include that event, you will just be posting something random instead of actually celebrating and following among what is happening on that day. So you really need to have a section for all this. D, collaborate easily by easily sharing your Canva file or changing it into a PDF and exporting it out, maybe to share it with the client or whoever you created the content calendar for. But if it's for you, you can always keep it. Now, I have something amazing for you guys. If you feel like this whole process might actually be stressful for you, you don't really want to like get through it, even though it's very easy, but I understand so many people might actually find it's really complicated. I am going to be creating a free template for you guys, and for you to gain access to it, you have to be following me on Instagram. Comment below, follow me on Instagram. It's going to be in my profile and also in the video description. Follow me, leave a comment, and make sure you're a subscriber. Then you can get access to these free templates. This is going to make it easy for you. All you now have to do is to change the brand color and add what is important to you. But I would have already organized the whole content calendar and given you this free template to make everything easy for you. If you're really excited, comment below and I will send you over the free template to make everything so much easier for you. And that brings us to the end of this video. Do you find this video very helpful? Leave me a comment below and make sure to subscribe and turn on the post notification so you can be notified whenever there is a new video for you. And also, that is exactly how you can support me, to push me to keep growing and keep showing up and creating more content for you guys. Also, if you have any question, you have any struggle with social media, whether it's content creation, any social media platform you are struggling with whatever, you can ask me a question in the comment and I'm going to answer you or even create a video about it. So let's go. Feel free to comment below and I would love to see you guys in my next video. Bye.